All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you organized a happy event successfully. Organized is second form,
Past.
past tense. Please start.
Well, the organized event was my birthday celebration. I celebrated my birthday in the restaurant with my family members, which is located near to my hometown. I invited all my cousins and sisters on my birthday. I was cut a cake of seven
I
pound.
cut a cake.
I cut a cake of 7 pounds, which is very delicious and tasteful. I prepare myself to make or to organize this event to make a memorable moment for my family and for myself. Because before my organized event, we never ever celebrated any birthday
We
for
had
anyone.
never ever celebrated. Past perfect.
We had never ever celebrated any birthday of anyone. My father and my brother helped me to make this event successfully. My mother and father gifted me a bike Suzuki 150S, which I liked very much. So I think it was a very successful event because my family members and cousins enjoyed it very well. First of all, the cake, which we liked it very much, and the second one, snacks like pizzas, burgers, everything. We have a lot of fun.
Okay, everything we had, and we had a lot of fun with all the things.
All the
Overall,
things.
it's fine. Just organize your answer, connect your ideas together, and take care of the tenses. Like you said, I was cut. I was cut means they cut me. Okay, I cut the cake, right?
Yes.
So just like this, but overall, it's fine. I mean, your overall expression is good. Now, let's go on. Do you prefer to organize happy events at home or outside in any restaurant or banquet hall?
Basically, so it depends on person to person.
It varies from person to
It
person. But my
varies
question is to you. So
it,
don't say it varies from person to person. You say as far as I am
according to
concerned.
me.
Yeah, according to me.
So,
So do you prefer to celebrate personal events at home or in the banquet hall?
I prefer to personal events in the restaurants because in the restaurants everything is available, was available,
Everything is available.
is
Present.
available which we want for eating and some celebrations. Everything we want in the restaurants, but at compared to house, in the house we make things ourselves everything.
All
So
right.
that's why I prefer to manage
Okay,
organization
your
in the
ideas
restaurants.
are good. You just need to practice your English and your understanding of the questions. That is also good. Focus your tenses a little, understand the questions, and you need to understand the psyche of IELTS speaking. How examiner wants you to answer, and I'll tell you that, and then you're fine. Okay, good to go. Thank
Thanks.
you.